Take a tube of acid detection solution A reagent. Pour into empty bottle of acid test solution. Add 20 milliliters of distilled water to dissolve. The dissolution time is about 10 minutes. Cap tightly during dissolution. Intermittent shaking accelerates dissolution. Appropriate heating can also be used to accelerate dissolution. After the solid is completely dissolved, add 0.6 milliliters acid test solution B reagent. Shake mix. Weigh 0.2 grams of sample. Absorb 3 milliliters of acid extract and add it to the sample tube. Shake mix. Pour the sample solution into the test tube. Take 3 milliliters of the extract and add it to the other tube. Add 1 milliliter of acid detection solution to 2 test tubes. Shake mix. Let sit for 5 minutes. Take 2 milliliters of the upper organic phase of the control solution in the colorimetric dish. Place in the first channel of the instrument. Take 2 milliliters of the upper organic phase of the sample solution and place it in a colorimetric dish. Place in the instrument channel other than the first channel. Click Project. Click Food Safety. Click on the box below the sample name. Selective acid value. Select sample name. Click Detection. Read test result. Print test results. A printer can also be connected to print A4 reports.